Hello friends, welcome back to the Soupier Camping series. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be heating with, and I know it's a little bit early to show what I'm going to be actually heating with, but so to make a long story short, this thing can fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood in it. Now if I'm doing my calculations correctly, a 500 watt heater would kind of be overkill for something like this. So what I found was this only consumes about 100 watts per hour. And I tested it with my meter that I plug into the wall and stuff like that. And surely it's at about 100, 115 because it surges when it gets up to speed. The general rule of thumb is for every square foot you want 10 watts of power. So this right here is about 150 watts. I think this will be pretty good as long as I'm not camping where it's absolutely freezing. And you can substitute that with like a heated blanket or other things. So can you heat with electric? And that's what I'm kind of wrestling with right now. I love the idea of having a solar panel up top, which I haven't found a solar panel that I like yet. I want to get one that's ruggedized and that's got a good price point. But I'll actually charge off of that as well and put my solar generator down here. I think something like this is going to definitely take the edge off when it comes to heating. Being only about 115 watts, it might take a little bit longer to get it warmer inside, but I'm not really that worried about it. I've used these before in other cars just to warm them up in the wintertime. And me coming from a cold environment, I know how to withstand the cold. So with that being said, I'm going to be ordering my solar generator here soon. I like the Pecron, especially the E2000 LFP. They've got a really nice setup, and I love their series. But I don't like if I was stagnant and I didn't want to charge while I'm driving down the road, I would get their fold-out panels to charge my Pecron solar generator. But I'm thinking maybe a 2,000 watt might be a little bit overkill. So let me know what you guys think. Maybe like an E600, or I know they have like an E1000 and an E1500. I don't think I want to go with something like that refurbished. Something when it comes to electronics, especially like that, I'd like to stay away from having a refurbished model. But let me know what you guys think. Right here, there's going to be a huge. I'm going to build a rack so I can have shelving going up through here. There's going to be a rack in the front, kind of just like a table more or less, with 4 cubbies in it, so 12 by 12 about. All coming, I'm going to start working on it here soon, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support and all the amazing comments. You guys are wonderful, and I'm not making any money off of this. I'm just doing it for you guys, so thanks again.